Hi, hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is FejiroDA. Ugh, wait, what? No, that's not how I do my intro. Run it back. Hi guys, my name is FejiroDA and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so on today's video, I'm just gonna be doing a little, cute, get glam. You know what they do. I already curled my hair. I filmed that before I filmed my intro. I don't know why, but I'll put like clips of me doing the hair, so you'll see how I actually start up. Come get her. Even your man know niggas do it better.
I think that I need me a babe, so we can pull up and slay. Bad she like Kim, attitude on yay. She make it jiggle on purpose, make them feel nervous. Told me that she like to ride it, then I told her let me take you to my circus.
I'm about to start doing my makeup. So for today's look, I think we're gonna go like a, I don't know, soft glow. I don't know what we're gonna do. You know what, as I'm doing the makeup, we'll see where my heart leads me. I just want to play makeup. It's been a while and I haven't worn makeup since the last video I filmed, which was a while ago. That was over a month ago. And actually, speaking of not wearing makeup, I was feeling in like a funk because just everything happening in the world, and I'm a very passionate person when it comes to the people. I mean, yes, I'm a Nigerian who grew up in Nigeria, and also like shielded from a lot of racism. We deal with a lot more issues like sexism and tribalism. Like, our problem isn't really racism, but it still did me because I remember when I first went to England to study for A-levels and even for uni there. I know the experiences I had with just meeting, like interacting with white people for the first time. Interacting with white people for the first time. And I know how that made me feel, and it basically wasn't nice. But yeah, where am I going with all of this? I don't want this intro to be too long. My point is, I was just feeling a bit ugh. And I didn't want to do anything. Like, I had a bunch of videos planned. Like, I was going busting out content, quarantine got me on, But yeah, all of that happened and the internet just blew up. I felt like every time I looked at my phone, like, it was kind of depressing. I really didn't want to do anything, but I realized I had to get out of that funk and move on with my life because I can't let them win. We can't let them win. So yeah, that was a rant, sorry, that was a mini rant. But yeah, I'm gonna try and push out as many videos as possible. Let's get on with the makeup. Right, first things first. So for primer, I want something like really matte. I feel I'm quite moisturized. So I need something like really mattifying. So I'm going to go with my POREfessional primer from Benefit. This is a mattifying primer, so this would be like exactly what I need. See how that's just like already like taking out a lot of the shine I had on my face. I love this thing, man. It's so good. I need to buy another one. Oh yeah, my last video, my boyfriends do my makeup. How did you guys like that? I thought it was hilarious. Yeah, thank you to all the guys who did it, because it was so much. It was a lot of stress editing the video, but it was so much fun. Yeah, I remember someone telling me, oh, this is like the best video I've done so far, and I was happy, but then I felt pressure because I was like, oh shit, what if the next video I make isn't like up to par? Anyways, we'll see. Moving on, next thing I'm gonna use is Precisely My Brow from Benefit. and I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Sorry about the mirror. I need to see what I'm doing because we don't want brows that like, you know. I'm gonna speed through this part because I can't really talk while I'm doing my brows. So just listen to some tunes and I'll be right back.
No, I got her on the way. I put some Henny in my cider. Now I'm feeling kind of way. I just want to be inside her. I love her cause she's a real woman. She's a real woman in a rock.
Okay, just gonna put some lip balm. My lips be feeling kind of parched. Eyebrows done. So now I'm gonna carve my eyebrows. So I'm using a flat brush. This is from crap. No, I can't remember. I'm using the flat brush and Eligo Pro Concealer in Fawn to carve out my eyebrows. Actually, so something I wanted to talk about. I don't know if I should talk about this because then I feel like I might show my ass. Like expose myself, not show my ass literally. Have you guys watched 365 Days on Netflix? Well, if you have, yeah, Jesus, this thing just splashed on my bed that is white. Shoot me now. I said shoot me now. What the? Jesus. A clown? See what 365 days will do to me. Fejiro, see your life! Yeah, I've stained my bed. Why am I staining my bed like this? It's upsetting me, but I'll have to deal with it later.
It's upsetting me in my home, girl.
Anyways, like I was saying, so have you watched 365 Days on Netflix? If you have, let's talk. If you haven't, watch it so we can talk. Fedra, articulate your words well. Do I like the movie? Kinda. Hold on. This is my thing, right? The guy, Massimo Michael Monroe. Jesus Christ, that man is... Whew, he's blessed. Yeah, he cute. Yeah, I can't talk while I'm doing this, I'm sorry.
I told her we should have twins like Nick Cannon and Mariah.
And then using a fluffy brush to blend out. So brows are done. Now I'm gonna put concealer on my eyelids and then we'll figure out what eyeshadow look we're going for. I want something simple, not something too like dramatic. Hopefully I actually do that. And it's back to what I was saying. The guy, Michael Mon, whatever his name is. Usually I'm not one for like I was actually tweeting about him. I didn't actually mention his name, but I was tweeting. I was like, wow, I'm not even a fan of chest hair, and this guy is low-key making me like chest hair. And I was like, and I'm not a fan of tattoos either. Like, I'm really not a fan of tattoos. It's how his tattoos are placed. I was like, you know what? Wait. Sorry. You know when you want to sneeze but the sneeze isn't coming? That's so painful because the sneeze is like right there. Anyways, I was tweeting about him and my friend, she now replied my tweet saying, I know who you're talking about. Like, I know you, I've caught you. The funniest thing is me and this friend I'm talking about, we both like have a crush on Michael B. Jordan. Michael B. Jordan is like my absolute like celebrity crush. But yeah, so me and this my friend, we both have a crush on Michael B. Jordan. So just to see that both of us now have a crush on this guy, it was like, wow, we connecting, you know? So we laughed about that, it was cute. See, this is my own issue now. I was like, all I need to know is stand on the Black Lives Movement. And once I know his stand on the Black Lives Movement, if it's good, we Gucci. Like, guy, I will stand you. Do you get what I mean? Oh, cool child. I'm getting hot. It's hot. I'm going in with my Jackie Aina palette and I'm using the shade Ginger right there. And I'm going to do that across my whole lid. So I'm going to go in with a smaller fluffy brush. I think I want to do like a goldy look. So I'm going to go in with Edges from the Aina palette here. I'm going to put that on the, like below ginger. So on top of that Edges, I'm just going with Credits. That's like a really dark brown. Yeah. So I'm forming like a V on my eyeball and then I'm pushing that out to give me that like cat's eye look. And going back with the first brush into ginger to buff everything out. So I'm just going back and forth between those three colors to like try and get the what do I call it? The color depth that I want. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna cut my crease with the concealer that I put on my hand. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. So you know this trick. If you have hooded eyes, you put some concealer on your lid and then you look up. And that sort of like helps give you a guideline. That's done. I'm just gonna wait a few seconds for that to dry. While that is drying, I'm gonna go back into the Aina palette again and just really define this corner right there. I want it to be like really dark compared to the rest of the eye. Now time for the lid color. Okay, so for my lid, I'm going into my Morphe 3502 palette. So I'm gonna take a flat brush, brush like this. So I'm gonna take this one right here. It's called Zippy. It's very gold. I don't know if I like that. So I put a bit of polish on top of Zippy, and it's giving me this color there. Because Zippy on its own was a bit too gold for me. Like I wanted more bronze than gold. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Ooh, it looks cute. So it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Anyways, I'm probably gonna like speed over my face makeup because it's nothing interesting and I don't really have anything to say. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the flip side. I'm going to be telling you what products I'm using. So right now I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. What's my shade? NW45.
I told the bus and open once the pass code. When the real players get the yoni for free. Yo, you a beauty in that back swamp. I want it now. I want it now. I want it now.
So I have my beauty sponge already wet and I'm going to use the bottom side to just blend in the foundation. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is do my under eyes. So again, that same concealer that was on my hand, I'm gonna take that under. You know the trippiest thing is how like I would film a video, it would probably take me like 2 hours to film, and then when you finish editing the video and everything, the video is like what, 12 minutes. This video is even probably going to be shorter. Going in with my, where is it, Sacha. Going in with my Sacha Buttercup powder. Okay, I'm going to contour. So I'm going to contour with my Sleek Contour Kit in medium, and I'm using a contour brush from Real Techniques. So next, I'm going to go in with my Studio Fix MAC powder in NW43. Next, I take my face powder, which is the MAC, it's just my MAC powder in dark, and I take a face brush, fluffy face brush. Back to the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm gonna mix crevice and edges onto my waterline. So my inner corner, I'm adding Trust Issues. So these lashes are from Zaron. It's like a Nigerian store. Oh, I forgot to highlight. Wow. I'm going to use my Sleek contour kit to highlight, mixing the bronzer and the highlighter shade. And can you see that? Just like, a little bit of bronze. That's what the eyelash looks like. It's very big and bold. I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to do a red lip. I'm using, what's it called? Night Moth by MAC and Ruby Woo. My lips now, and then I'm going to take Ruby Woo by MAC. Right, so this is the final look. What I'm gonna do though is I'm going to change my lip because man, this red lip is just, it's not my vibe. And now this. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, I forget. Fix was. And voila, we're done. Yeah, I feel more comfortable with this being my final look. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, thank you. So this is the look we created. It's like a nudie, you know, soft glam, I guess, kind of look. Hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know the video is all over the place. I changed the lip. I'm sorry. That red lip, I just wasn't feeling it. It's like it just wasn't my thing. I feel a lot more comfortable with the nude. I know it's boring. I would try to like experiment more. I tried different lashes today. These lashes are dramatic as fuck. They're like, please like subscribe so I actually know you like my content, because it takes a lot of effort to film these videos. So please, it would mean a lot to me if you actually like, if I get like some response from you. Okay, so anyways, yeah. I feel like I'm being weird now. Alright, bye guys. Today's feature song is What's the Passcode by GJ the Caesar featuring S God.
I think that I need me a babe, so we can pull up and slay. Bad bitch like Kim, attitude on yay. She make it jiggle on purpose.
Black screen.
Told me that she like to ride it, then I told her let me take you to my circle.